All right, you guys. So this is the actually. I'll just skip that part. Okay, you guys. So this is the same day that I installed the parts. If you guys didn't check out that video where I installed my paddle shifters and my side mirror caps, make sure you go do that. But it's still the same day in terms of when I record this video. I also broke my freaking, where are they at? My side mirror over there. If you guys can, wait, hold on. I can't even fucking show you guys, right? So I broke that, and I need to go buy one today. I need to figure out where I can find one today, because I just can't have my car like that. I don't know. It's not even that bad. Nah, it's pretty fucking bad. So, like, I can still see out of, but I need to fix it. So right now I'm about to head to AutoZone. I don't think AutoZone would really have for this car though. But
you only know.
I don't know. I'm gonna go check over there, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I'm about to drop I'm about to drop OD money for some bullshit. Oh my god, that shit get me tight. I'm about to drop hella bread for some stupid. Damn, son. We were so close to finish too. I was so excited. I was like, yeah, we're about to finish. But you know what it was? I got too excited because the first one took us, like, I took a long time to do, right? Because I was taking my time. And then once I figured it out, and then I went to do the other one, I thought I had it. And then I did it too fast. I didn't take my time. It is cold. And one of the things that the people said who were doing it when I watched it, they said don't do it in the cold weather. And guess what? I couldn't wait, so I did it in cold weather, and that's what I get. So I'm going to go to AutoZone right now and see if they have it. I really hope that they do. But then, even if they have it, how the frick do I install that?
Search it up now.
I'm gonna have to look it up on YouTube again. But yeah, guys, I'll pick you guys up later. I'm gonna figure out what the hell I'm gonna do. And if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, all that stuff. And RIP to my fucking side mirror, bro. See you later, man. I'm gonna get you fixed, don't worry. But yeah, all right, guys. So I'll see you later. All right, guys. Yo hablo en español. Bueno, mi gente. All right, you guys. So like, I did end up finding a mirror for $300. I just dropped $300 on this mirror thingy. So they gave me the broken one, and as you guys can see, I got the new one on there. And then I got my boy Chris in the back. Él estaba de lambón, so he wanted to come. So I went.
Yeah, a mí me invitaron.
Stop the cap. So yeah, I just picked him up, and now we finished with that. I feel a lot better now. Whatever, I spent the money, is over with. I just wanted my mirror to be fixed, to be honest. I didn't care about all that extra stuff. But now we good. Now we're about to get some food. And yeah, guys, the moral of the story is, if you need a tool, bro, buy that shit, bro. Don't be using no homemade shit, because on God, that's just gonna fuck up your shit. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't subscribe. Yo, go subscribe to this nigga. So give him some motivation to post videos, because he over here slacking, don't want to post nothing. But yeah, guys. Yeah, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next videos, motherfucker.